Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah, with this quite rare 250 hardtop, short wheelbase. And why 250? Why not 290? This vehicle was a prototype for the Royal Dutch military, and they decided later on to go for the 290. So they only made a few 250s as test vehicles for the military, and this is one of them. What we did is we highly upgraded the vehicle, and what we did is, because I thought it was so nice that it is a 250, I kept it a 250, but we used a totally different engine. We used the OM605, which means that you have 200 horsepower, more than double what the original one had. And we also changed it to a 5-speed overdrive transmission. So yes, it's still a 250, but totally different as the original one. Needless to say, completely rust free, gorgeous solid condition. We did not perform a complete nut and bolt restoration. The frame, the body was absolutely gorgeous. So we just updated the frame, went through all the brakes, etc., all the lines, the soft lines. So it was gorgeous from the start, and we just upgraded, updated, did a repaint inside out. We remained the original steel rims, but completely different tires, different tire size. You could not drive this tire size with a 250 or 290 non-turbo, impossible. So we are running 255, 85, 16. That is roughly 32, 33 inch tires. So that would be extremely tall for a non-turbo original configuration. You would kill your engine, guaranteed. It also came with only 2 front seats. So we put in the tilted forward seat, so you can push that forward. And we also added the 2 rear seats. And the jump seats on both sides. The floor, everything is as solid and gorgeous as can be. And that goes throughout the vehicle. Nice headliner as well. We added the roof rack, steel, not aluminum. The professional style leather. The US 2-inch tow hitch. I remained the original plug, which sits right there, so that it is still possible to configure that to whatever you need. Gorgeous interior, perfect dash. We added AC system, completely new. Your 5-speed overdrive transmission, of course your 4-wheel drive, which you can engage while driving. Let's start the engine. So a 250 turbo diesel with intercooler, OM605, which basically is the OM606 last one cylinder. So 200 horsepower, you can imagine how the vehicle runs. Custom made, original air cleaner, but welded to configure the turbo. Mechanical pump, which sits right there. No electronics to the engine. So you can drive it on biodiesel. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you have any questions about this 250 1991 prototype Dutch military, do give me a call, 714-417-7320. I do appreciate if you would send an email, info@g-mercedes.com. Thanks again for watching. I absolutely appreciate your time. We will see you next time with another G-Class. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.